This Phantom wallet, $5.8 million, all made from launching meme coins on Solana. No charts, no sniping, no chasing green candles, just a rinse and repeat launch strategy that anyone can do from home. Believe it or not, bro, 1 year ago I was completely broke. I was trenching every single day trying to make a quick buck. I used to buy into every single coin that looked like the next 100x, but every single time I bought in that coin, I got completely dumped. That's the raw reality of meme coins. And that's exactly when I realized the ones actually winning are not buyers, okay? They're not the traders. They're actually the devs. Because believe it or not, if you are a dev, you have nothing to lose. You are the one who is in control of everything. You call the shots. You own the supply, you own the narrative, and the timing. You are basically the mastermind behind the coin. You are not the one risking any money, you are the one controlling the flow and then dumping whenever you want. It's actually insane. And right now, Bitcoin is up, Solana is up, it's the best time to start launching, make sure to keep watching. Now quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor and nothing here is meant to be financial advice. It's all fake, it's all made with Sora AI. Cap! Now I know you might be thinking, okay, do I just go to Pump.Fun to dev meme coins or what? Well, that's actually wrong because Pump.Fun's problem, it's oversaturated. Too many coins are launching every single minute and 99% of them never even gets noticed. You don't even control your own liquidity for your own coin because it's Pump.Fun that controls it, not you. That's exactly why I hate this platform, bro. Because when you create a meme coin, your coin has to reach a $90,000 market cap for it to bond onto the Raydium DEX. I just hate that, bro. It takes too much time and you have to get lucky. And that's exactly why I switched to create tokens.io, because this platform changes the game. Your coin launches directly onto Raydium, it gets immediately graduated, and buyers can trade it the second it's live. It's a fucking cheat code. It's cleaner, faster, and puts full control back inside your hands, bro. You have to be launching on this platform, you guys will see why. Now here's how to dev step by step your very first meme coin on this website in under a minute. Now you have two different ways to do it. The first way is to create one from scratch. So you're basically making a custom coin from scratch. Now go on X and look for something trending that you could make a meme coin on. It could be literally anything, right? That's funny, some news, I don't know, just anything, right? Hey Facebook, I've been subscribed for 2,100 days. I mean, nah, that's bad. Okay, this, I'm not selling. That could be good. 8 hours ago, 85k views. That's not bad, you know. Let me see. I mean, yeah, bro. You get the gist. Once you have a good narrative, that's how you make your coin. Come back to create tokens.io, invent a name, add a symbol, and then create. Well, take a screenshot of something and just put it right here, and just like that, your coin is custom made, created after a couple more steps. But the second way to launch a coin is my favorite one, and this one is the most profitable. And that's by copying trending coins. Now, all these coins right here are all already blowing up on Pump.Fun. You just have to copy them, and it will launch instantly to Raydium. And since the hype and the traffic is already in these coins, you'll get instant buyers and a bigger profit potential from the start, bro. Copying coins is a cheat code, you guys will see with a live example. Okay, enough explaining. I'm launching this token right now so you can see and watch it go live on chain in real time. So first of all, make sure your wallet is connected, then click on the refresh button to have a fresh list, and let's look for a coin to copy. I think I'm gonna copy the crying cat. It has a last buy 6 seconds ago, it has an X and a Twitter, and a $20,000 market cap, which is not bad. Click on the create coin button. Oh shit, my bad. I think I missed it. Oh, never mind. And then ignore the block from Phantom. It's completely normal. Just click right here, proceed, confirm, click the checkbox, confirm, and then the coin should be created in 3, 2, 1. And before I go here, click on view on Photon to make sure it's on chain. Yes sir, it's live, it's on chain, it's all legit. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this section is the easiest part. We're adding liquidity so your coin becomes live and tradable immediately onto Raydium. No waiting and no delay, just 2 simple steps. Now for the token A, just tap the button right here in the center, which is the 90% button. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into your liquidity pool. You are keeping 100 million tokens. Right under is for the amount token B. Think of it as your entry ticket. It's your first buy into your own coin. You are not spending any SOL permanently. It's just locked in for liquidity, but the minimum is 0.3 SOL, and when you remove the liquidity later, you will get it back right back inside your Phantom wallet. That's exactly why we have nothing to lose, because you were the first buyer. I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL, just a bit more to be safe, and then click on create pool. Once again, you are gonna get it back later, and then click on the confirm button. When that's done, simply click on the refresh button right here, and if you scroll down, boom, the crying cat coin is on live, our PNL is right here, and if you click on the refresh button right here, now we're up $200 USD in our PNL, because now people are buying in Memescope on the Raydium DEX. People are now fucking buying our coin, bro. That sounds insane. Our own coin is being bought by random people. Now, click on view on Photon to see the chart. You can also go on Axum or NeoBullX if you want. It's your choice. Now, let me go on full screen for a better view of our coin. Now, the coin is live. Oh my god, bro! Oh my god! So many buyers! Okay, now it's time to dump the coin! Actually, no. I'm gonna give this coin more time for the pump. I'm just clip farming. Come on. $35. Let's. Oh, that's a bit bad. It has to go up, bro. Wait, it has to go up, right? No, it has to go up. Yeah, $30 right there. That's not bad. Come on, $65. Ooh. 1.5k in market cap, 1k in liquidity. Now you have to remember that more and more people are going to start seeing the coin on the migrate section, which means you are going to get more and more buyers into your coin, and that's the beauty of Devin coins, bro. It literally costed $0 to make this coin, and we're getting organic buys, bro. Like this, bro. I swear to God, bro, Devin coins might be better than dropshipping or some other bullshit methods, right? Like, look! Oh my god! I just made 40 plus 80 plus 50 plus 70 plus 50! I'm printing, bro. I'm actually printing. Oh my god. Anyways, I'm gonna give this coin a couple more minutes, and I'm gonna be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. It looks like we're at a $4,000 market cap, 1.8k in liquidity. Things are looking insane. Now, if you want to make some money, come back to create tokens.io and then click on the refresh button right here. And now, as you guys can see, we're up $1,700 in profits, which is actually insane with a 4k market cap. Now, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money out of the coin real quick. And now, as you guys can see, I'm going to receive 9 SOL. Click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make some money. If I open my Phantom wallet for proof because some of you guys don't believe me, boom! I just cashed out $1,700. You guys need to tap in before it gets oversaturated.